Hello and welcome back to Unit 2 Handling Data 2. In this tutorial we will be talking about the frequency table. So first things first, what is the frequency table? A frequency table is a table that lists items and uses tally marks to record and show the number of times they occur. So it is basically where your data is grouped, and they are used through tally marks in order to count them and show the results. So we're going to solve an example together about a frequency table, and we're going to use the tally marks and we're going to record and show the number of times the desired results occurred. But first, let's talk about a tally. A tally is a method using as results are gathered. It is basically you use this thing while counting in order to keep track of the counting. So the example says there are 16 students in grade 3. We asked them in order to know who chose pizza or burger as their favorite food. This table shows the results distributed between pizza and burger. But now we have to use the tally marks in order to count and see which was in more favor. Now let's start. Pizza was for the first student, so we put the first tally mark. Burger, pizza, burger, burger, pizza, pizza, and pizza. Notice the fifth tally mark is crossed over the initial 4, and this is used to group every single 5s together, and that helps with the counting through the process of counting using tally marks. Let's continue. Pizza, burger, pizza, burger. Notice we also grouped the 5 burgers together. And pizza, pizza, burger, and finally burger. Now let's count. Every group of 4 sticks with a 5th stick crossed on top of it is considered as 5, and the 4 single sticks are 4, which is 5 plus 4, which is 9, and 7 burgers. Now to check the answers, 9 plus 7 is 16, and the number of students is 16. This is correct.